stay with me for more updates regarding this storm as it turns my way. See that overcast? Yeah, it's slowly taking over. And that wind, it's slowly picking up. Feels nice, I'm not gonna lie. Look at the cloud formations. It's kind of weird. It's slowly coming. It is. Actually, it's pretty fast moving. And I have one more dog to walk. I don't even think you did your business. Okay. The wall is cut. Blowing in the wind. I didn't know mailmen had like windows. Hello. Dude, really? Fucking cutthroat. To give you an idea of the wind situation. It's quite windy. Back to you, Wendy. Oh great, my dog hasn't pooped yet, so we're still doing this. Okay, good times. He hasn't been out all day actually. Oh shit, we're gonna die. Oh, I thought a car was. Okay, God, I hear you. But my doggy has to go to the bathroom. My little pooch. Not gonna lie, it's peaceful out here. It's more relaxing on this side because the wind isn't traipsing through and you have the barrier. Oh, somebody took the shopping cart from out of this side of the ditch and put it over here. Nice. No lie. I think I can hear the wind. It's picking up, actually. The sun is slowly setting. It's like 5 something or so. But not gonna lie, we found a uh-oh, are you okay? Are you like me? There was a grill set right there, actually. And right here, there was, or was it over here? I'm not sure. There was a canopy, a screened-in lanai looking canopy thing. Perfect condition, just, I don't know where it came from, but it's perfect to find. I mean, we could have sold that shit. We could have used it ourselves for free. But that's okay. It went somewhere else, somewhere where it was needed, and I'm glad with that. So I gave it to my cousin. So anyways, it is picking up the rain, if you can't tell. The floor, there you go. You can see that. It's kind of rainy. Overcast. My dog still hasn't poo-pooed. And I got one more dog to go. But he's fast. And he hates storms. So I'm not even sure if I can get him out, but I might be able to. I need to go get some catnip for him, because apparently catnip is like CBD for dogs, and when there's storms and stuff, he hides in the bathroom. So, oh yes, pee on the Walmart shopping cart. That a boy. There goes my friend. Or not. My friend drives fast too, but if that bitch hit me, I'd probably sue. Just kidding. It just rhymed. I'd sue them both if they hit me. What the fuck? Excuse my language. Oh, that's a cool thing. Are you gonna poop or not, sir? You know, end of the line here. Like, he knows that too. But like, dude, really? man. Are you done? I can't believe we're doing that right here. No shame in his game. Come on, dude. I don't have any cover under here. Bitch, you need to slow the fuck down. I don't know who you think you is, but like going past somebody, you need to slow the fuck down. Like, I don't care. Okay, thank you. Alright, so if that's the worst of it, I might be able to bring Ruger or Taz out here. But it doesn't look like it's the worst of it. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.